Si Luna, very sweet and grabe yung pagiging empath niya. Ayaw niya as much as possible makakasakit ng ibang tao. So, ganun siya kabait sa bata. So, very understanding and as much as possible, ayaw niya na may na-disappoint sa kanya. Mabait si Luna and madaling alagaan.
Very malambing, tapos very loving.
Happy birthday! Apo kong mahal na mahal ko. I wish you all the best. We love you so much, my Luna.
I got 2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life.
Happy birthday, granddaughter! Sana lumaki kang mabait, huwag mo kalilimutan yung pagiging magalang. Saka alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. Simula nang dumating ka, naging complete na lahat ng happiness ni Daddy Lo. I love you very much.
Love the little things, love the little things. Call up old friends.
Gusto ko na ang bilis niyang makagets and ang bilis niyang umunawa. For her age, di ba, parang mabilis siya sumunod eh. But she'll always ask why pag may mga bagay na dapat yung kailangan niya maintindihan. Kasi isang salita lang, tinatry niya nga appreciate, tapos susunod din agad.
Kasi nga sobrang maintindihin siya sa lahat. Lahat gusto niya maging kaibigan, lahat gusto niya kasundo. Ayaw niya ng may conflict. Yun na katulad na ng sabi niya, malambing, sweet. So lahat talaga ng makakasalamuhan niya, friends niya agad. Ganun siyang klaseng tao.
Head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky. It's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life.
Happy birthday, Luna. Love ka ni Daddy Ninong. Lagi magpapakabait at huwag masyadong makulit.
Huwag mong kalimutan mag-po and opo every time hanggang pagtanda mo. Lagi kang sumunod kay Mami. And yun lang, I'll always have your back naman ni Mami. Love you.
Little things, love the little things. I'm gonna hold you.
I hope and wish and pray na may the angels ever bless you and give you everything you will ever want and will hopefully fulfill every wish that you have.
Luna, happy 7th birthday. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being our daughter, being loving, sweet, generous, and kind. Wala na kaming mahihiling pa. I think you are enough and we love you very much.